Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, we stayed in Chauvin, Alberta, but we turned our attention to world's largest softball, Suzie. She is reported to be 6 feet across, but due to her elevated platform, she definitely does not look that big. In the 1970s, Chauvin hosted June Jamboree Days, which was a 3-day ball tournament that drew teams from all across Western Canada. The teams would bring their families, and the town's population would triple during that weekend. A local artist decided that a huge softball would be a good tribute to the ball tournament, which it was. Suzie appears to be fashioned out of a large fiberglass tank, and she has been given a place of honor right along Highway 610. She is the pride of the community and welcomes visitors to the village. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into. Feel free to share this video with friends or family members you think may enjoy it. If you don't mind, on your way out of the video, click or tap on the thumbs up button. That lets me and YouTube know I'm doing a good job. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.